Welcome everyone! We're here again in the Mommy Sharon channel. Again, this is your Mommy Sharon for the Mommy News. And hey, yes, these are the preparation for my scented candles. Welcome back. Pour the wax into boil and pour your dye in a little while. There we go. Today we're going to use the coffee because I'm going to make a coffee crumble inspired by my love for the coffee. Stir, 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 makes the fragrance and the wax and the dye at the same time. All right. So now I made the color and there's a pouring time, so I need to uh, keep the temperature a little lower to 65 degrees because that's the pouring time. That's the pouring temperature. So when I reach the 65-degree, I am going to pour it to my jar. Okay, see, 2, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, my finished product. Ta-da! Coffee crumble! Bye!